Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix PC black screen on a startup. So first you need to check all the cable connection and peripherals like your VGA cables that connect your computer CPU into the monitor, and disconnect all the USB drives, printers kind of external drives. So you can try with the different cable or different monitor, and all the things. After all the things, you can restart your computer if the problem is resolved or not. So if it is not resolved, you can go with further steps. Then you need to press Windows key plus Control plus Shift and B simultaneously. This will refresh your graphic driver, and it will be fixed. If it is issue related with the graphic driver, it will be fix the black screen error. So if it is not fixed your issue, you have to access the safe mode. To do that, you have to press the power button 2 to 3 times until your computer goes to automatic repair screen. You need to restart your computer several times for that one. Once you are in the advanced options screen, you need to choose the troubleshoot option and go to advanced option, startup setting and restart. After restarting, there will be a small list. You need to choose the fourth option, that is the boot into safe mode. Okay, now you will be able to restart your computer into the safe mode. So once you are in the safe mode, you have to roll back or reinstall display drivers. To do that, right click on the start menu. Imagine you are in the safe mode. Go to device manager. Safe mode is pretty similar to the Windows current screen also. So go to display adapters, right click on your display driver, tap on uninstall device. Tick this one, tap on uninstall. Then after, restart your computer, check the error is fixed or not. And if you recently update your Windows, you need to again go to start menu, go to setting, go to Windows update and tap on update history. Scroll down and go to uninstall updates. Choose the latest Windows update you are installed recently. Then you will be able to find uninstall button will be appear here. In my case, these two updates can't be uninstallable, so that's why it is not showing here. So once you see uninstall button here, just tap on it and uninstall the latest update. Then again restart the computer and check the issue is okay or not. Okay, now you can reset your BIOS and UEFI setting. So first you need to restart your computer and go to the BIOS. It will be depend on your computer version. Most of the computers it will be F2 or F10. So once you are in the boot menu, there is option called load setup default. Just tap on it, then it will be load the by default BIOS setting. If you are changed something in the BIOS section, this will be reset onto the default mode. So once it is done, you have to save the changes and restart your computer. And if it is not working, you have to again go to search bar, search for control panel, tap on it and make sure to view by set as large icon. Then after, go to recovery option, tap on open system restore. If you have restore restore file, you will be able to find like this recommended restore. Check the date that is going to restore. So if that day there is no problem in your computer, you can just select the next option, then your computer will be restored to that date. So it will be fix your issue if it is not in the hardware level issue. So once you can restore your computer, you will be able to fix the issue. So just close this one, and you can check the hardware issues as I previously said. Check your RAM cards and check your hard drives, and you can remove the CMOS battery and wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then after, plug in again into your motherboard. All the methods are not working, you can try to reinstall the Windows. So if it is not fixed your issue, you have to take your computer into the computer technician, because it will be hardware level issue. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.